Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Ria, and I'm really happy that you are here with us today.
And I'm Shiva. Thank you so much for joining us. If you are someone who wants to learn English in a simple and natural way, then this podcast is just for you.
You know, many people think that English is very difficult. They feel nervous. They feel shy. And sometimes they are afraid of making mistakes.
But let me tell you something very important. Making mistakes is not bad. In fact, mistakes are the first step to learning something new.
Exactly. And that's why, in this podcast, we don't focus on perfection. We focus on practice.
We speak simple English. We explain everything step by step so that you can understand easily and start speaking confidently.
And today's topic is something very useful.
So, Ria, have you ever felt shy while speaking English because you don't know which tense to use?
Yeah, sometimes I say I did my homework, I have done my homework, I am doing my homework. Even I get confused.
Don't worry. Today, your confusion will finish because today we are learning present perfect tense.
Present perfect tense is used for actions that happened in the past but are still important now. So the structure is subject plus has/have plus verb 3 means verb third form.
For example, I have finished my homework. मैंने अपना homework complete कर लिया है.
She has gone to school. वो स्कूल जा चुकी है.
Ria, imagine your mom asks you, have you cleaned your room?
I say, yes, Mom, I have cleaned it.
But actually, you didn't clean it, right?
I will clean it later.
See, this is where present perfect comes in.
Present perfect means the action is finished and the result is important now.
It's very simple. Let's take real life situations.
I have watched this movie, so don't spoil it for me again.
She has eaten all the chocolates. Now nothing is left.
I have lost my phone. Now I am in trouble.
That's your daily problem.
Let's see, Shiva. What if we want to say something is not done?
Like, I have not finished my work?
Exactly. That's a negative sentence.
Just add not after has slash have. Subject plus has slash have plus not plus V3. The verb third form.
That's it?
Ria, we learned positive and negative sentences. But how do we ask questions in present perfect?
Yeah. Like, how do I ask, तुमने खाना खाया है? In English.
Very easy. Just remember one small trick.
What trick?
Take have slash has and bring it to the front.
That's it?
Yes, that's it. You say, you have eaten food. How to ask this?
Have you eaten food?
Oh, so just move have to the front.
Exactly.
So today we have learned present perfect tense.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need the courage to speak.
Because now you have started learning English.
Don't forget to practice.
And don't keep it to yourself.
like, share, and start speaking English.